Alright guys, this is Charlie Do Right. I've got this wire all the way loose here. And one thing I wanted to show you guys is if you know this is going to be able to fall down either direction. Okay? So for temporarily, because I know I'm going to be moving this rafter. Okay? I'm going to be raising it up. So whenever you're done pulling the staples out, and if it's going to be something that's going to interfere your garage door or any other door or anything else that moves, I would at least temporarily zip tie it in place until you're actually to the point of actually taking the board out. So that will keep this from being able to fall down until I actually move this board out. So, as you don't want it getting interfering with the spring or the cables or the door itself. So, alright, now my door is pretty much locked down anyways currently, but there's going to be a point in time when I actually bring the garage doors in and remove those ones out. And I'm still not quite sure how I'm going to get these springs off without them shooting across the shop, but that's something else I have to deal with. When the time comes, I'll try to film that too. So, with all that said, Charlie Do Right out.